What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, if you've been on my channel or seen my channel at any point in the last so many years, you've seen this Impala. Like, I've had this Impala probably 8 or 9 years. I've done a bunch of stuff to it, but the sunroofs, for some reason, I have been lazy and I haven't done. Now, one of the main reasons why I want to tint these sunroofs, I don't really care too much about making it darker in the car. That doesn't bother me. The main thing is heat, all right? When the sun is shining in on these glass panels, my head gets so hot. I usually have the shade closed, but even with the shade being closed, it still lets heat into the car, and I can just put my hand up to the roof and I can just feel nothing but heat. Now, obviously, that's just in the summertime. In the wintertime, honestly, I don't drive this car that much, so in the summer is when it matters the most. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tint the sunroofs with 35% ceramic, block out the heat, keep the car even cooler inside, and that should definitely solve my problem. So stay tuned, check the video out, and let's go ahead and get these dual panels faded out. So that is tinting the sunroofs on this 2015 Impala. Now I know some of the newer vehicles, they have huge panoramic roofs. So tinting the sunroofs can be a little bit of a pain. These were pretty small, but at the same time, they let in a lot of heat. So check back in the future. I'll report back on how the 35% ceramic made any type of effect. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna be able to block out a lot of heat, because when I check this film with the meter, it blocks out like 91% IR. So it should block out pretty much most of the heat entering the vehicle. And as I mentioned, I didn't want to go super dark, because if you go dark, you can just pull the shade. So I wanted to be able to block out the heat. That was my main goal with tinting the sunroofs. A lot of people are doing the sunroofs a lot. Being here in Wisconsin, it does not get super hot, and my vehicle is usually parked inside most of the time anyways, so I'm not worried about sunroofs breaking or anything like that. I know some shops that have had that, but I have never had any sunroofs break, and I've been doing them for years. So thanks for watching this video. If you got any comments, please comment down below. If you like this, please hit that like button. And like I said before, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel if you like anything automotive or window tint. Until next time, stay faded. Peace.